Hello everyone! In today's video, I will be answering your doubts or questions about does my turning chain count as one stitch or where should I start in the next row or round? Here, I will show you how it is done by standard rules. First, let's chain 5 and start with single crochet. In single crochet, we will chain 1. And this chain 1 is our turning chain. When we say turning chain, it brings the yarn up to the height of the next stitch. Where should we start on this second row? In single crochet, the turning chain is not counted as a stitch, so we should start in the first chain. Let's do it. Insert your hook into the first chain as your first single crochet. Yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. Continue until the rest of the row. And here is our second row of single crochet. Let's proceed with half double crochet. Chain 2 as our turning chain and turn your work. Our turning chain in half double crochet is also not counted as a stitch, similar to single crochet. Insert your hook into the third stitch from the hook. Yarn over once, insert your hook into the third stitch from the hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Continue across the third row. Chain 3 as our turning chain for double crochet in the fourth row. One, 2, 3, that's the end of our chain. And this is the fourth stitch from the hook. We will not insert our hook into the fourth stitch but rather into the 5th stitch. Turn your work. Yarn over once. Insert your hook into the 5th stitch from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Repeat this across the 4th row. So here, we still have 5 double crochets. But notice this, there is a small hole or gap between the first and second stitches. If the pattern states that turning chains are not counted, follow the pattern. This will help avoid gaps between stitches. Now chain 4 as our turning chain for treble crochet. Turn your work. And let's check where we should start our first stitch. This turning chain counts as 1 treble crochet. So we will insert the hook into the 6th stitch from the hook. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the 6th stitch from the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Here's the 5th row of treble crochets. Lastly, chain 1 and turn. This will be our slip stitch. Similar to single crochet, chain 1 is not counted as a stitch. So we will start our first stitch in 2nd stitch from the hook. Insert your hook into the 2nd stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through. Repeat until the last stitch of the row. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting!